and most of 2023, I felt like the year was just slipping through my fingers, especially with the average amount of focused work being only about 3 hours per day. But then I found Rize, an app that uses AI to automatically track your time and block distractions. So, if you want to reclaim your time and achieve more in 2024, let's dive into the key features of Rize's free plan. But before we get into the video, I want to make it clear that I'm not sponsored or affiliated with Rize. I'm making this video because Rize has helped me increase my productivity since late 2023, and I hope it can do the same for you. So, without further ado, let's start with the part where you likely spend the most time, the timer tab. This is where you can see your sessions. First, to ensure Rize is tracking your time, check the bottom left of your screen. It should say tracking on with the green circle next to it. If it says tracking off, simply click on it to turn tracking on. Now, let's look at the timer section itself. Under time since last break, you'll see the amount of time you've spent on your computer without taking a break. Rize automatically starts break sessions when you're away from your computer for a certain amount of time, or you can manually start them by clicking Start Break. If you spend more time away than your set break duration, extra time will be added automatically. Another type of session is focus sessions, where you set a goal, duration, and even background music to enhance your productivity. Focus sessions can also start automatically based on your activity, or you can manually initiate them by clicking Start Focus. Meeting sessions are the last type, allowing you to set goals and durations for meetings. Your sessions will appear under Recent Sessions, displaying their type, start time, category, and duration. Time tracked as time since last break will automatically become a focus session if Rize detects your AFK for a certain amount of time and will create a break session. Rize will select a category for each session based on your activity. To see more details about a focus session, click on it to view a detailed report. Categories are labels for your applications, websites, and sessions to see how you generally spend your time each day. Rize has preset categories for some applications, but if you want to change any, go to Settings, Tracking Rules, find the application or website you want to change the category of, then click the pencil and paper icon in the same row, find category and change your category. You can also disable tracking on certain apps by going to the Actions tab and selecting Exclude from tracking. If you want Rize to block you from distractions, go to Distraction Blocker and enable distraction blocking, and from there you can customize your settings even further. If you want to only track the domain of the website you are on instead of the detailed URL, go to Privacy and toggle on URL privacy. This is all the necessary information you need to know to start and have a smooth experience using Rize. If you chose to use Rize, hopefully it will improve your productivity in year 2024. Thank you for watching and have a great day.